Hey, welcome or welcome back to 4F Beauty. When will I be YouTube famous? I don't know, but I'ma keep singing this song until I am, or till I get fed up with it, whichever happens first. My girlies in the beauty YouTuber growth group are all listed in the description below, and we talk about each other and spread the love of our channels and all of our films in the hope that, wow, did you hear my throat just groan? Oh, in the hope that we can share the love of makeup and the love of our channels that little bit further. Right, today's video is a tag video which was started by the beautiful Valerie from Gimme Lip and More. Now, regular viewers will recognise Valerie because she and I have collabed together. If I remember, I will link that video down in the description box. But she started what she's called a spirit animal tag. Now, I am aware that to a lot of religions and cultures like Native Americans, the spirit animal is something that is not taken lightly at all. And I don't want to offend anybody by the use of the term spirit animal. The way I view it is an animal that I connect with, that I feel an affinity with. I'm aware that is not culturally what a spirit animal is to a lot of people. So I just wanted to get that disclaimer out of the way. Using the term spirit animal, I really do not want to offend anybody by that term. Right. Quite a short set of questions, so hopefully if I don't blether too long, this could be quite a short video for you. First question, what is your spirit animal? The owl is the one that I'm drawn to the most. And surprisingly, my husband, when he was a baby, had a stuffed toy owl called Moots, which he still has now, even though he's 33. Question 2. What is your most loved beauty product? Probably concealer. Bear with, because I will very often go out of the house without makeup on to give my skin a break. But because I've got deep set eyes and because I suffer with chronic pain, I've always got really black circles here. So I'll just pop a little bit of concealer on just to cover those up so I don't look quite so heinously ill when I'm leaving the house. So that's probably my most used and most loved beauty product. In terms of everything else, good lippy that doesn't dry my lips out. What do you wish your spirit animal had more of? They've got huge eyes, so that kind of matches with the amount of lid space that I've got. I guess they haven't really got much in the way of lips because they have a beak. And I do admit that I do sometimes wish that my top lip were as fulsome as my bottom lip. But, as Lady Gaga so eloquently put it, I'm beautiful in my way, 'cause God makes no mistakes. So I am not going to get filler in the lip. I'll just occasionally overdraw it if I'm in that kind of mood. So I guess it'd be lips. What is your least loved beauty product? Oh, eyeliner to use in the waterline. I bought this, which is actually a box set of 12 different colours of pencil in both funky and more kind of, if you'd call them normal, I suppose, shades, with the intent of using them in my waterline. But because my eyes are so damn sensitive, if I put anything in my waterline, my eyes will start streaming. They view it as something, as an irritant, and they end up pooling up in whichever colour eyeliner I've used, that particular colour eye boogie in the middle of my eye. So that's probably my least loved beauty product, because I'll sometimes put it on if I'm doing a particular look for Instagram, or if I'm doing a couple of beauty groups. I mean, on YouTube very often have challenges, so recreate this look, recreate that look, so that I'll sometimes use it for that, but it is literally only on for as long as I take the photograph. What is your favourite fashion item? Does jewellery count as fashion? Because if it does, then it's going to be this. See if I can zoom you into it. Now this is it's silver, and it's the Anglo-Saxon symbol for love. And this was a 25th anniversary, wedding anniversary gift that my late father-in-law gave my mother-in-law. And before my husband and I were even engaged, she actually said to me, would I like it? And I'm like, you can't do that. It was a wedding anniversary present for your late husband. And she said, oh, don't be silly. It's like I'm never going to see it again, is it? So I don't know if she knew something that we didn't. But I have worn this every day since. And on our wedding day, that was my something old. So I guess if you can include jewellery as fashion, this would be my favourite fashion item, because I don't class my wedding ring as a fashion item. That's something far more important. What is your least favourite fashion item? Bras. I am so broad across the back that if I get them sort of, where I'm so broad at the back, if I get the cups to fit at the front, it's then too narrow at the back. If I get the back to fit, my boobs are like swimming around like two ferrets having a fight in a sack. I think that is the one thing, probably cosmetic surgery wise, that I would do. I would get my boobs done so that they stay here all the time without the need for a bra. Because I hate wearing them. They dig in, they're uncomfortable, the underwires end up coming out and stabbing you in the armpit when you least expect it. Or poke their way up here through the middle of your jumper. Just, ugh. And the boys always used to pin your bra strap when you was at school. Are you with me here, girls? Isn't it the first thing you do when you get in? Get your shoes off, take your bra off, then you know you're home. And once my bra comes off, that's it. I'm not going out again for the rest of the day. I am not putting that sucker back on again. And the final question, told you it's going to be a short one, is the best quality of your spirit animal. I suppose, I mean, the owl is renowned as a symbol of wisdom, isn't it? You know, a group of owls is known as a parliament of owls, although I'm not quite sure how much wisdom our parliament's got right now with Brexit. Different story. But you know, the owl is known for its wisdom. In Winnie the Pooh, Owl was the studious one, the one that went to for all the answers. And in life now, they can fly completely silently and just swoop in on their prey when they least expect it. So I guess a combination of knowledge and being a very dangerous enemy, because you never know when they're going to strike. And that is kind of me. I've gone through a lot in my life, which has given me a fair amount of knowledge on a lot of different subjects. And I'm a very, very loyal friend. But you don't want to get on the wrong side of me. I am very much a Taurus. I've got a very long fuse, but once it's lit, it is like a firework. You do not want to be around when it goes bang, because I'm not a nice person when I lose my temper. I am wickedly vicious, and I can, not something I'm proud of, but I can reduce people to tears just with my words. As I said, it's not something I'm proud of, and I do try and, as much as possible, contain my temper and walk away from a situation. But I guess in that respect, I am like the owl. You never know. She's always so laid back. You know, she's great. She's brilliant. Get on the wrong side of me though, and I will swoop in silently and attack you when you least expect it. That's a weird note to end this on. Let's just settle for the knowledge bit, shall we? Let's just do knowledge, wisdom, big eyes. Right, okay. I will link Val's channel below, and if I can find it, I'll link her answers to her tag as to what her spirit animal is and her favourite items. And once you've watched this, it'd be great if you go and check hers out, as well as checking out my girls in the Beauty YouTuber Growth Group. Right, hope you enjoyed this. If you did, it'd be great if you could hit that like button for me, comment, share, subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to ring my bell, and choose all notifications, so that you get told every time that I upload another one of these films. And talking of another one of these films, got over 170 of the suckers uploaded at the moment. Probably even more by the time this film goes live, because I want this eye look to go live before this film does. So it'd be awesome if you could pop over and check a few of those out. And like I said, don't forget to check out Val, and don't forget to check out my girlies in the Beauty YouTuber Growth Group, who I'm sure will be delighted to welcome you to their channel. Right, as ever, all that remains for me to say is you'll stay fabulous, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.